Hello friends, welcome to Geeti's vlog and what we are going to learn today we are going to learn book back answers from my elder brother lesson. Reading is fun. Question 1. What are the things that Munna liked to do? Answer is Munna liked to walk in the green fields. He also liked to play marbles and fly paper kites. Question 2. What did Bhaiya do all day? Answer is Bhaiya read books all day. Question number 3. Why was Munna not happy with the timetable that Bhaiya made for him? Munna was not happy with the timetable that Bhaiya made for him because there was no time to play in the timetable. Okay, question 4. How do you think Munna felt when his brother was so strict with him? Why was Bhaiya so strict with him? Answer is Munna felt like running away and going back home when his brother was so strict with him. Bhaiya was strict with him because he did not study much and instead went outside to play with his friends. Question 5. Whose character do you like more, Munna's or Bhaiya's? Why? Answer is I liked Munna's character the most because he likes to play and enjoy his life with the complete fun. He is not boring like his Bhaiya who always like to study the whole day. Okay, you should write your own answers, children. Okay, let's talk page number 71. Do you have a timetable at school? How many periods are there for the following subjects and activities in 1 week? English 5 period, Hindi 5 period, and Maths 5 period, Science 3 period in a week, and Social Studies 3 period in a week, and Games 2 period, Art 1, Craft 1, Music 1, Dance 1, any other activities 0. Question 2. Now make a timetable for yourself including your study time and your play time. Okay, you should write your own timetable. Okay, days, school, lunch and homework time, play time and sleep time. You should write your own timetable. Creative writings, page number 72. The format of a letter is given to you. Letters to friend and close families are written in the same way as you speak to them. ஓகேவா, நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு லெட்டர் வந்து கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நீங்கள் எப்படி வந்து உங்களுடைய ஃபேமிலி கூட க்ளோஸ் ஃபேமிலி கூட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட பேசுவீங்களோ அது மாதிரி ஒரு லெட்டர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ அதை வந்து ரீட் பண்ணுங்கள். கிருஷ்ணா பாய்ஸ் ஹாஸ்டல்லேருந்து லெட்டர் எழுதப்பட்டிருக்கு. மாடல் பப்ளிக் ஸ்கூல் கொல்கத்தா 10th July 2000. And வந்து my dear ma, this is my first letter. After the summer vacations we started our classes the day after we reached the hostel. I have settled in well. Introduction. We have a new teacher for clay modeling and pottery. She tells us how to make fruits and vegetables with clay. We then paint them. They look so real. Body. We have an inter-house pottery recitation coming up in August. I am really excited about it. It is a long poem, but we learned it together with our teacher. It is nice to be back in school with my friends and teachers. I remember you and Baba a lot. Give my love to grandmother and grandfather. Ending. Do write back soon. Yours loving son பிரதாப் என்றவர் அவங்களுடைய அம்மாவுக்கு இந்த லெட்டர் எழுதியிருக்காரு ஹாஸ்டல்ல இருந்து. Okay, after the reading the letter, answer the following questions. First question, who has written the letter? Answer is Pratap has written the letter. Second question, to whom has the letter been written? Answer is the letter has been written to his mother. Where is the writer of the letter? The writer of the letter is in hostel. What is the name of his hostel? The name of the hostel is Krishna Boys Hostel. On which date was this letter written? Answer is the letter was written on 10th July 2000. Question 2, page number 73. Now write a letter to your friend or relative in another city telling him or her about activities, events in your school. Follow the same pattern as the above letter. Answer. Okay, நீங்கள் வந்து உங்களுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு இல்லைனா ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ்க்கு வந்து லெட்டர் எழுத போகிறீங்க. உங்கள் ஸ்கூலில் ஏதாவது ஒரு ஈவெண்ட் நடந்துச்சா, ஏதாவது பொங்கல் ஃபெஸ்டிவல் நடந்துச்சா, இல்லை ஏதாவது ஒரு ஈவெண்ட் நடந்துச்சோ அதை பற்றி நீங்கள் வந்து லெட்டர் எழுத போகிறீங்க. இந்த லெட்டர் வந்து நான் வந்து என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு நான் ஓனாக எழுதியிருக்கிறது. நீங்கள் இதை மாதிரியே ஒரு ஃபார்மேட்டில் நீங்கள் ஒரு லெட்டர் எழுதணும். யூ ஷுட் ட்ரை யுவர் ஓன் ஆன்சர்ஸ், சில்ட்ரன். Okay, comprehension check, page number 74. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follows. Oliver was a 9-year-old boy. He lived with other homeless boys in an orphanage. He was pale and thin as were the other boy living there. This was because they had to work hard but were never given enough to eat. The owner of the orphanage, Mr. Bubble, was a cruel man and he ill-treated the boys. The boys were always hungry. It was true that they were given 3 meals a day, but each meal consisted only of a bowl of watery soup. They were almost starving, so it was decided by them to ask the master for more soup. But who would build the cat? Finally, the task fell to Oliver. When all the boys had assembled in the cold stone hall for their evening meal, the soup was served. Its spoon soon disappeared. The boy whispered to one another, and one boy pushed Oliver a little. Oliver, making a brave effort, stood up, walked up to the master with his bowl and spoon in his hand and said tremblingly, "Please, sir, I want some more." ஓகே, இந்த காம்படிஷனில் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா, ஆலிவர்ன்ற பையன் வந்து 9 இயர்ஸ் தான் அவனுக்கு ஆகுது, 9 வயசு தான் ஆகுது. அவன் வந்து வீடு இல்லை அவனுக்கு, அவன் வந்து ஆஃப்னேஜில் அனாதை ஆசிரமத்தில் தான் தங்கியிருக்காரு. அங்கே வந்து அவங்க எல்லாருமே ரொம்ப ஒல்லியாக ரொம்பவும் பக்கத்து தின்னாக இருப்பாங்க. ஏன்னா வந்து அங்கே வந்து உணவு ஒழுங்காக கொடுக்கப்படல. அந்த ஆஃப்னேஜோடைய ஓனர் யாருன்னா மிஸ்டர் பபுள். அவர் ரொம்பவும் கொடூரமான ஆள். ஏன்னா அவங்க எல்லாருக்குமே 3 வேளை சாப்பாடு போடுறாங்க. அதில் வந்து 3 வேளையுமே என்ன தருவாங்கன்னா, ஒரு பவுலில் வாட்டரி சூப் மட்டும் தான் கொடுக்குறாங்களாம். ஸோ வந்து அந்த குழந்தைங்களுக்கு அவ்வளோ பசி, ஆனாலும் அவ்வளோ வேலை செய்கிறாங்க, ஆனாலும் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து கொஞ்சம் தான் கிடைக்குது. ஸோ அதனால் வந்து ஆலிவர் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காரு, அவருடைய எல்லா திறனையும் திரட்டி அவங்க மாஸ்டரை எதிர்த்து அவர் வந்து கேள்வி கேட்டிருக்காரு. ஏன்னா ஒரே ஒரு பவுலில் தான் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து சூப் பண்ணிக்கும் கொடுக்கப்பட்டுச்சு. அப்போ வந்து அவர் கேட்டார், சார் எனக்கு இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணும் அப்படின்னு அவர் வந்து எதிர்த்து கேட்டார். ஆலிவர்ன்றவர் அந்த ஆஃப்னேஜில் வாழற அந்த 9 வயசு அந்த பையன் வந்து அந்த அநியாயத்தை வந்து தட்டி கேட்டிருக்காரு. Why did Oliver live in the orphanage? Answer is, Oliver lived in the orphanage because he was homeless. Who was Mr. Bumble? Mr. Bumble was the owner of the orphanage. What meal were the boys given? The boys were only given of watery soup. What did Oliver say to Mr. Bumble? Oliver requested Mr. Bumble to give him more soup. The boy were given 3 meals a day. Then why were always hungry? Answer is, because the soup they were given was never enough. Okay, find the words from the passage that means the same as very hungry means starving. To vanish means disappeared. All the boys assembled in the cold stone hall. Here the word assembled means collected. Assembled means collected. 10th last question. From the word assembled, remove the last 2 letters. Add 1 letter to make a word which means a time at the school when the whole schools gather. Answer is assembly. 11th question, give a suitable title to the passage. You should write your own title, children. Answer is, title is Hungry Boy. Okay, complete the following sentences using the correct form of teach or learn. Answer is, will you teach me chess? Mr. Sharma teaches class 8 that students have learned about road safety. My sister has taught me how to ride a horse. I have learned some of the customs of India. I learned how to cycle when I was just 4 years old. Question 2, 76 page number. All the class 5 students of our school were the answer. Where was கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ப்ராக்கெட்டில், where the answer. Gathering in front of the principal's office. They where was, answer is where. Going for the inter-school race. The bus arrived past. And they left past. Leave left. The runners were taken past. To the straight point. The runners took past. Sir blew blew the whistle. One student of our school ran. Answer is ran fast and came first. Everyone did their best and our school won the trophy. Everyone felt joyous. Okay, read the following sentences. Bhaiya has been studying in the same class for 2 years for a period of time. Munna was flying kites since morning. From their time in the past till the present. Answer is I have lived in this house since I was a baby. Since நான் வந்து இந்த வீட்டில் வாழ்ந்துட்டுருக்கேன். நான் குழந்தையிலேருந்தே இந்த வீட்டில் வாழ்ந்துட்டுருக்கேன். Since இருந்தே. This big jar has been in our family for many years. இந்த ஜார் வந்து எங்கள் ஃபேமிலியில் ரொம்ப நாளாகவே இருந்துகிட்ருக்கு. The old banyan tree in the village has been there for the last 200 years. Nobody has seen him since yesterday. Yesterday இருந்து நாங்கள் யாருமே அவங்கள பார்க்கல அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Okay, and we are in the end of the session and I hope this video is more useful to you. Meet and catch in my next video. Until then, bye from Youth Kriya Gamat. Thank you, children. Thanks so much. Bye.